There are many different stock market indexes. Indexes are also known as indices, and they go all around the world. So, depending where you're located in the world, there's an index or an indices that you can trade stocks underneath that. Now, in the United States, there are typically, or there's four that people trade, which is the S&P. So you'll see the S&P 500, the Dow Jones 30, NASDAQ 100, and the Russell 2000. So you'll see right here, kind of give you a highlight. The stock market indexes or indices, they measure specific sections of the stock market and they fall under the umbrella of stock exchanges. And investors and traders, though, they cannot buy or sell the major exchanges, but they can trade the different indexes on the exchanges. Now, each index is also made up of sectors, and under those sectors are industries and sub industries, which include the most common stock symbols and companies that investors trade, buy, and sell. So let's highlight the four major indexes within the United States. You'll have the S&P 500, and that index measures the 500 large cap stocks in the United States market. Then you have the Dow Jones 30, and that compares the 30 large cap stocks in the United States. And then you have the NASDAQ 100, which is an index made up of 103 largest non financial companies. And the last one is the Russell 2000, which is a small cap index made up of 2,000 stocks. So you'll see on our website at bullishbears.com, we have a very in-depth list of the indexes, sectors, ETFs, industries, symbols. So if you want to see the different, indexes and how in depth they are and kind of, go over here to our website, you'll see when you do the drop downs, all the different sectors and industries and, stocks within those sectors. You can click on these links right over here. So if I click on the S&P 500, you'll see a detailed list of all the stocks right over in here and symbols within the S&P 500. Now, sometimes those stocks will change, so we'll update these lists. So this right here, let's say, is the S&P 500. You can see and sort by market cap, sector, and industry. If you come over here and let's say go down under industries, you can see, let's take a look at, we'll go over to airline stocks. So when you click on airline stocks, you'll see the most popular airline stocks over here with the symbols. So you can pull up those symbols and company names, look them up, chart them. But if a sector's running, doing well or not doing well, depending if you're going bullish or bearish on the stock, you can come over to our website, go right over here, pull up the different sectors and symbols and look up those stocks. Kind of makes it easier. We try to kind of update our members, kind of keep things easy for them to explore, especially when certain sectors are running. So make sure to bookmark our pages here under lists, indexes, maybe sectors and certain industries. Keep an eye on them and check our website often because, again, when you hear news running, let's say on gold or oil, something economic or world events, wars, stuff like that, it's good to be able to come over here, see those markets, see those different sectors, come down here and trade them. This is stuff that we teach you within our community, in our Discord and trade rooms. We'll talk about the different sectors and news and economic events. And then, like I said, when you hear what's going on, you can head over to our website and pull up those symbols to trade.